Hi, this project is made by me, Marcelo Durazno, and Henry Waman. This project consists in implementation of a system of computer vision to detect and recognize hand gestures. We who introduction has in the following work, we developed a model of implementation of artificial vision system in order to detect and recognize gestures and make with the hand for which so the use of the camera and with the database and the three storage gestures. In this project we use OpenCV in the C++ programming language. We editor like Visual Studio and we can say after that OpenCV in an open source machine learning and computer vision software library, and for the integration this always to carry out learning automatic. Next we will detailly develop on the same step by step to achieve the objective. Who first pass is the program we take a video capture using computer camera or the web camera. For the case, we have a main windows where we can all see and read book, where the framing part will to work with a detection of gestures, which we can illustration one below. Who part two monitoring and wind and technicals. For this case, we create the windows and tracking bars. In these bars, we can modify maximum and minimum value. And after the explication, more this often. Who part 3 and sum of result of each stage. In this part we can observation the 5 result windows the which we appear on the 4 first search and the max minimum and the other seal. My friend explicate with program function and paste step to step the program. In this part, in this code, the first import the OpenCV libraries. Next, metaprogram substructure is a technique that allows use to detect moving objects while discarding the rest of the scene, as it will remain motionless. We open the camera of PC to this functionally in this part. In this part, we define the variables of the track bar windows and call the track method created below. In this part, create a method to define mask and contours. In this vector, the polygon that surrounds the hand according to movement of the hand in this part. Green dots on fingertips, a multidimensional array is in the code in this part in the vector. Keeps the X and Y points of the fingertip as a point is in this part. this part, we execute a recognizing of the hands. We run to see the function. It is the first capture number 1. A comparison to base is capture number 1. It capture number 2. It is the capture number 3. The capture and the all features in this program. As conclusion, as we can clearly see, the implementation of hand history is not an idea that has just been created, but is early an idea from before that use artificial vision, and is really that there are still many things to understand from this project, since we will need to focus more on the interpretation of histories. Here we develop a system where detection in real time the number of movements made in the hand to arrive, and this result we had to analyze it and carry out very large investigation size the interpretation of histories in a big issue. To develop, we restore looking for the previous worked method, so that is detect the movement. The tests are satisfactory. And this is a project. Thank you.